26th of March 2026, and it's about 6:15, and the weather just turned wild outside. You can see cars going by and there's like flooding already outside. Yeah, it's a big thunderstorm, thunder and lightning storm outside, and it just came on about 6:15 tonight. Here it's pretty bad. I don't know if I can focus on the amount of water there's there, but it's pretty flooded out there. I was going to go out, decided not to. It's late night shopping tonight, so this is why I didn't. I would have been stuck. Thanks for watching. Well, the rain has stopped, but the thunder and lightning hasn't.